Okay, so scraping a little time together here to create a video. This video is going to explain how to create um, specular and reflection effects for your windows on your models. Yeah, so let's just get right to it here. I think I was just going to show you how to create the textures real quick. Then how to create the what they call a cube map, which is what will create your reflection in FSX, and also how to just convert the textures and add them in Model Converter X. So when you convert it, it all works together nicely. Alright, so I just want to open a couple textures where I've done this. Let's see. I have to navigate to my folder real quick and find a texture that I want to show here. Let's see. Alright, this is a good one here. So we'll open that one. And we'll open, let's see, we'd open this one. Alright, so this is a texture I'm sure you recognize from my Spokane terminal model. Okay, so once you have your window textures, basically what you need to do is erase the frames and then fill in the windows just pure white. Now you could do different colors on the grayscale, but most of the time I just use white. You can do other colors too, but I find white works the best. So that's basically what you want to do. You just want to erase the frames of your texture, or anything that's not a window, or anywhere where you don't want reflection effects. You want to erase those parts, and wherever you do want reflection effects, you want to put that to white in a different texture. And I name all my diffuse textures as diffuse, and then I name all my specular textures as spec, and so on, just to keep things organized. Alright, so that's pretty much all there is to that. That's pretty simple. Now here's where the trick comes in. You have to create a cube map for your reflection. So I downloaded this program. It's called Cube Map Gen. It's by ATI. And as the name implies, it's a cube map generator. So here, I just started it up here. This is fairly simple, but I just have I still have my little instruction thing here, and I'll probably go ahead and just well, no, we'll see here, but let's go ahead and just read this real quick. I just need to check to see what the first couple steps are. The blue section, I need to switch this to skybox. This one always takes me a while to find in here. There it is right here. Check skybox, and we also need to, and then let's see, is there anything else? Nope. Okay, so now I just want to say load cube map face. Now you can create because what this creates, it basically creates a 3D cube of textures. And you can make them all seamless. I don't generally do that though. I'm just going to I just load one single texture onto all the faces. I can show you that real quick. Here it is. I'm going to say view. Where is view? Preview, I think. What's it called? There it is. So this is a texture. It's a picture taken in FSX. You have to edit your picture to be square, and I just kind of blurred it, add some just colors and stuff, just to make it not quite so obvious exactly what you're looking at. Because again, these are fake reflections. This isn't going to reflect what's actually in FSX. So just try and make things a little less obvious that they are fake. So let's just go ahead and apply this to that face. Just click on it. Alright, so everything should turn black, and then you'll have one face applied. So there's 6 faces. As there's in a cube. We're going to do the next one. Load the same image. And we're just going to do this for all of them here. Let's see. 4. Let's see. Load cube map face. We'll open that one. Alright, and one more. Alright, so again, like I was saying, this isn't like going to be a seamless cube map. I don't find it too necessary to make it seamless. As long as you got a straight horizon, it's not usually too noticeable. Again, if you want to go, if you want to go from a quality standpoint, I guess it'd be a good idea to make everything seamless, make the sky on the top of the cube, ground towards the bottom, everything. But this seems to work fine just like this. Alright. What does it say here now? It says to display cube map. Let's see. Display cube map. Switch to display. Let's see. I need to read these a little more better here. Alright, here we go. So we set display cube map to output now. I'm going to go ahead and maybe enlarge this. That's better. Let's switch it to output. Okay, the circle turned black. Now, then hit filter cube map. I think that's it. Let's see, where is the filter cube map button? There it is. I'm gonna say the output size at 128, and that's usually all I use, and that just makes sure it's a little even more undefinable exactly what you're looking at as far as reflection goes. Right, filter cube map. Takes a second. There we go. Alright, and then that's all there is to do. Let's just save cube map as a DDS texture now. So right here at this button, save cubemap.dds. I'm just going to save this to, let's see, save it to the desktop. That'll work. Alright. You know what, I need to make a quick model in SketchUp. So I have something to apply these textures to. Let's just make a quick cube or something. Yeah, let's see. I'll make it fairly large so we can see it. Alright, and I want to delete that person, wherever it went. Alright, let me add a texture real quick. Alright. And apply it to our box here. Enlarge it. Alright, that's good enough. We just need a little example here. Let's apply this to all the faces, that way we have different angles here. Okay, that will work. Let's just export this now. Name this, I don't know, something random. Reflect test, maybe? I don't know. go ahead and export that. Alright, let me navigate to FSX. Let me delete that. There we go. Always remember to run Model Converter X as administrator. It'll save you a lot of hassle. I need to move these textures to my desktop where my file that I just going to load is. And that's very important, as you should know by now that you want to have all your textures and the file that you're importing into FSX all in the same directory. In this case, it's just my desktop. Alright. We just need a specular texture for this. And we have the cube map already down there. Right. Let's just use the convert and place object wizard and navigate. Let's see, let me find it. One of these, I can't remember what I named it, guys. Or maybe I didn't even export it to my desktop. I thought I did. Untitled. Let's just save it to Untitled. That way we'll know. Alright. There it is. Alright, so this will be pretty quick here. So basically all you have to do, you have to go, once you load your model into Model Converter X, you can go here to the material editor, this button right here, find your material. In this case it's called material 1, doesn't really matter, and go down all the way to the bottom here. Assign your specular texture right here. So we're gonna click this here, navigate to our specular texture, and again that is in the same directory as the file we just imported. Here you are. Alright, and then the environment texture is going to be our cube map texture, so we're going to plug that one into here. Output cube. And right here, here's your settings. So right here, reflection scale. This is how much reflection is shown. The higher the number, the brighter reflection, the environment map or reflection map, whatever you want to call it. I usually set it to like 0.6 or 0.4. Let's set 0.6, and usually if it's a window, I'll set specular power. The higher the number, the smaller the specular hotspot. I like usually a larger one. I just set to 25, anyway from 20 to 30. Let's go ahead and set this to 30. Okay, and then another real important thing to check here is blend environment by specular alpha. So specular alpha is what is going to control the reflection map, so that only shows where the windows are. That's by the specular map there. Alright, and that should all be good to go. If you look in here, we should be able to see some sort of preview of that. It'll look kind of glossy. But anyhow, that's about it. You just convert it as normal. Model Converter X won't convert your cube map, so you have to just make sure that you drag and drop your cube map file into your texture folder. And I won't bother trying to convert this, but let's make this nice and cut it short here. Alright, so I hope that will help you out on that. Not sure when I want what my next video will be. I was thinking about starting to model a jetway for you guys. Might do that tomorrow. See how early I wake up. Alright, see you later.